Here from Rigor's Garage and Boat Basin. Today we're working on the 2006 F350 pickup truck. I'm going to work on the seat. There's some cracks in the leather, things like that. So I'm going to try and see what I can do. Give it a little fix up. Hope you like this. If you do, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. First thing you got to do is you've got to look at this label on the doorpost and determine what's the interior type. In this case, for my truck, it's right here, and I know it's hard to see, but it says 4E is the interior type according to the manufacturer. So you need that, and then you can sit here and address the seats. Now, if you see, this truck's got 175,000 miles in it, so it's just getting broken in. But there's cracks in the leather and some discoloration. Some right here. Somebody's been sitting in the driver's seat. As you can see, it's not really bad. There seems to be some kind of stain there. I don't know what it is, but so the real bad part is right along here on the seat, and so I'm going to try and fix that. So what I did is I went to a place called Seat Doctors, and this is leather and vinyl dye. In my case, it's a Ford, and it's called Medium Flint. And that's based on that interior. Okay, plane's going over. Lawn care guys. And so I'm going to give this a try. I've already cleaned the seat. I used, in my case, a little 409. And we'll see how this comes out. I don't know if you can see over there, but we've had some storms in the past couple days, and then guess what? We're gonna have storms again here, and it's just starting to rain. Here's what I'm doing. I'm taking this little bottle and putting it on a paper towel and rubbing it on the cracked areas of the seat. If you sit here, I'm just basically filling in the cracked areas. Now you got to do a couple of coats, but if you take a look here and you take a look here, it's different, you know. And you just kind of gotta keep going over it here. Okay, I'm working on the seat, and I've done some of the one coat on the seat panels here. I mean, I had a couple of brown spots right here. I was like wondering if that was like a personal foul of some kind, but it appears it's you get spots on the upholstery, and you go over it, and it restores the color. That's the first time I've done this. I mean, if you take a look over here, it's kind of a little brown. I don't know if you can see it now. You can't see that on the camera. It's the other side of this. And it definitely restores the color. If you take a look right in here, the color is nice. Now I'm just using a paper towel to put this on. And I find you just keep on rubbing it in. And it comes out as a nice even color. Now this part right here I've been doing several times because of the cracks. And this dye seems to fill in the cracks really nice and give it a nice even color. I mean, I did part of this here. You can see, yep, this has got a little brown to it. And I just keep on going over it. And it gets a nice original color to it. Just keep on going back and forth over it. What I'm going to do, I mean, in another hour we're supposed to have torrential rain. They got tornado warnings out and everything. So I'm going to let this dry. But so far, I seem to be happy with it. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit. I mean, I've used about a quarter of this bottle right here. I mean, it's dry to the touch. This is right here. This is where I've been working on it. Let me come back and after this dries, and I'll do another coat. Well, now that I got my little seat colored, I've got a little story for you. Last week, I mean, it was really warm here. It was like 97 degrees. At least that's on my little thermometer. And, you know, this fellow went down to the Park District pool. We got some fairly big pools here. They're probably, oh, I don't know, 30, 40,000 gallons of water. And guy hadn't been there more than an hour, and he has to take a leak. I mean, really fierce. And so, you know, he's really concerned. There's a rumor going around that, you know, if you took a leak in the pool, like the kiddie pool, that supposedly the water turns all red. There's some chemical they add. So, you know, he wasn't sure, and it was darn hot. He figured, maybe I'll go to the deep end, and mean, there's a lot of water in here. What's the big deal? So he goes down to the deep end, starts doing his business, no more than that, and two of the lifeguards let go with one of these big air horns. Scared the living daylights out of him. He nearly fell in the pool. It was terrible. Okay, so much for the little story. Here's the seat. I've done 2 coats on the seat. I did a test sit in the seat. This is how it looks in the sun. I've done the panels right here on the bottom and some of the panels in the back. So that's how the seat dye works on these seats. So that's the process I used. I hope you like it, and if you did, please like and subscribe. And of course, thanks for watching my little project here.